All right. Hi, everybody. Hi, Dr. Hibbert. So we are going to go and do 2 more practice problems by using the elimination method. So let's not waste any time. Let's look at this first set of equations. Looks pretty good. But again, we have to start off by thinking about whether we want to make the 12 and the 8 the same, or if we want to make the -3 and the 8 the same. Remember, the idea is to make the coefficients of either x or y the same, and then you can eliminate them by adding or subtracting. So let's see, probably better or cooler to make them 2 numbers. Let's make them both 24. Make 24. So to make this 12 and hey guys, make this 12 into 24, you're going to multiply by 2. So we're going to write multiply by 2. And actually, let me erase this 1 so it doesn't get in our way. So multiply everything by 2. So the 12x, the -3y, and the -15. So we'll get 24x minus 6y equals -30. Now we look at what we want to, now we have to make the 8 into 24. We're going to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. All right, so 3 times 8x is 24x. 3 times 8y, 24y. 3 times 58, 150, -174. Okay, now comes the elimination part. You're going to destroy one of these equations or one of the variables. So we're going to subtract, because 24x minus 24x gives you 0x. Then we do -6y minus 24y. That'll be -30y. Purple. And then you do -30 minus -174. That's like plus 174. So 144. Okay. Divide everything by -30, so we're going to get some cool decimal. It seems that we will get y is like 4 and 24/30. Now, as a decimal, calculator wants to participate. 4.8. Y is -4.8. Bang. But wait, there's more. Now we just plug this -4.8 into any equation where we got the y's, and we solve for the x's. So let's probably go back to, we'll just go over here. This guy. And then we'll travel this part. So we'll get 24x minus the 6 times the -4.8. Is equal to -30. So 24x 6 plus 5 times 30. 30 minus 1.2, right? So 28.8. I'm getting a phone call. Hold up. All right, picking back up. Let's take away this negative 28.8 from that. We gotta get down low. That'll be negative 58.8. Am I right? Am I right? I am right. Divided by 24. Gosh, this is going to be like 2.675. I don't know. Calculator. Tell me that. Oh, it doesn't. 58.8 divided by 24 is 2.45 with a negative sign in front of it. That's what I said. All right, and let's make it official by putting them together. Negative 2.45, comma negative 4.8. All right, let's do one more, yeah? All right, this one looks good. Oh, what do you want to say? Hey, guys. These are Bounty paper towels to clean this up. Get a little workout in, you know. All right. Here we go. The final problem of this video, we have the system 3x plus y equals 7 over negative 3x plus 2y equals 11. This should be a nice, friendly looking problem. Hey. Because you can see like these are opposites. Hey guys. So you can just add these equations because 3 plus negative 3 will give you 0x, 1y plus 2y, 3y equals 18. Oh man, this is too easy. Too easy. I hope I don't give you one like this on your test. Too easy. Just kidding. Actually, I'm not. We get 6 for y. That means I'll plug this back into any x. Let's do it. Or not any. Well, let's plug it back in for y and plug it back in for. Plug it back in for y and solve for the x. Let's go over here. 3x plus 6 equals 7. Take away 6 from 7, you get 3x equals 1. And x is just 1/3. And we put them together. We get the ordered pair 1/3, comma 6. So again, remember, understand that if we were to graph these, this is where they would intersect. So there we go. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Feedback is always welcome. I'm a work in progress, but appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope you subscribe and like and tell your friends and tell everybody. Tell the people that aren't even your friends too. All right. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.